Sea turtles have navigated the oceans for over 100 million years, guided by instincts that seem almost supernatural. From the moment they hatch, these ancient mariners embark on epic journeys, relying on a sophisticated internal compass that has evolved over millennia. Their precise navigation across vast, featureless oceans reveals secrets of nature long hidden from human eyes. The environment in which sea turtles thrive is beautiful yet terrifying. The ocean's depth exceeds 36,000 feet, where light barely penetrates and pressure can crush a vessel. Yet, these ancient navigators traverse it effortlessly, moving between tropics and poles, enduring storms and currents while adhering to their migratory routes. Rising temperatures, plastic pollution, and dwindling food sources threaten these age-old paths, putting the survival of these majestic creatures at risk. How do they do it? Recent discoveries show that sea turtles possess remarkable magnetoception, enabling them to detect the Earth's magnetic field with extraordinary accuracy. Specialized cells containing magnetite allow them to sense magnetic fields, enhancing their navigation. Green turtles can even locate their nesting beaches from over 1,000 miles away. Their navigation is not just instinctive, it's a blend of biological and environmental cues. As they swim through the ocean, sea turtles also rely on celestial navigation, using the sun during the day and stars at night. They adjust their paths in real time, responding to changes in the environment with an adaptability that rivals human navigators. The ocean is their map, and they read it fluently, showcasing an intricate blend of instinct and learned behavior that ensures their survival across generations. However, this ancient knowledge faces vulnerabilities. Human-induced changes disrupt the delicate balance of the ocean, threatening the cues sea turtles rely on for navigation. Disrupted patterns can lead to disorientation, impacting their ability to find nesting sites or food sources. The oceans that once served as pathways now hold pitfalls, and the consequences could be dire for not just sea turtles but the entire marine ecosystem. Exploring the secretive world of sea turtles captivates us with their extraordinary navigation skills. Guided by a complex interplay of instinct and environmental cues, they traverse vast ocean expanses. Sea turtles rely on a combination of magnetic field detection, celestial navigation, and environmental cues such as currents and water temperature. At night, the stars guide them on migrations stretching thousands of miles. Upon hatching, juvenile turtles imprint on their natal beaches, allowing them to return decades later. This memory, combined with experience gathered throughout their lives, helps them navigate the complex patterns of the ocean. They possess a sensory organ in their eyes that perceives magnetic fields, providing them with astonishing navigational accuracy, even in the depths of the ocean. Yet, climate change poses a formidable threat, altering ocean temperatures and currents, disrupting the very cues they rely on. Disoriented by changing conditions, sea turtles may wander off course, risking entrapment in fishing nets or stranding on distant shores. If they cannot adapt, the pathway sustaining their species may vanish. The fate of sea turtles is intrinsically tied to the health of marine ecosystems. Their journeys maintain the balance of life beneath the waves, contributing to seagrass bed health and controlling jellyfish populations. Each turtle serves as a vital thread in the rich tapestry of marine life, woven together by shared destinies. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these ancient navigators. Innovative technologies track their movements and monitor habitats, mapping migration patterns and identifying critical areas. By creating marine protected areas, we can safeguard their survival amid the ocean's challenges. The urgent need for stewardship of our oceans is paramount. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction threaten not only sea turtles but the intricate web of life they represent. Each turtle that emerges from a nesting beach carries the potential for a new generation, reminding us that our choices today echo through the depths. In the silence of the deep, the journey of sea turtles unfolds, and we must become guardians of this narrative. The ocean's call is a challenge and a reminder, a call to protect, cherish, and understand the interconnectedness of life on Earth. As we continue our exploration of these ancient mariners, we carry the weight of responsibility. The survival of sea turtles intertwines with the fate of our oceans and ultimately, our planet. The history of sea turtles stretches back to the age of the dinosaurs, with the oldest known species, the archelon, existing around 70 million years ago. These ancient creatures roamed the seas alongside colossal marine reptiles, navigating currents with a grace that belied their size. Over time, they adapted to various environments, developing specialized traits that enable them to thrive in both temperate and tropical waters. One of the remarkable aspects of sea turtles is their nesting behavior, an ancient ritual that speaks to their instinctual knowledge. Female turtles return to the very beaches where they hatched, a journey that involves traversing thousands of miles of open ocean. On average, a loggerhead turtle might travel up to 3,700 miles across the Pacific Ocean to return to its nesting site, where it will dig a nest in the sand and lay anywhere from 50 to 200 eggs. The sound of crashing waves becomes a backdrop to a life-giving cycle, one that has repeated itself for eons. The hatchlings, emerging from their sandy confines, make a dash for the ocean, driven by an instinct so deeply ingrained it feels almost mythical. As the hatchlings enter the water, they are engulfed in a world filled with both wonder and peril. This small, vulnerable stage of life is fraught with dangers, from predatory birds soaring high above to fish lurking beneath the surface. The struggle for survival begins immediately. Only 1 in 1,000 hatchlings will grow to adulthood, a sobering statistic that underscores the harsh realities of their oceanic journey. Yet, those that survive are equipped with remarkable adaptations, such as strong flippers designed for long-distance swimming and the ability to dive to astonishing depths, reaching up to 1,200 feet in search of food and safety. The ocean's currents play an essential role in their navigation, acting as highways that connect distant ecosystems. These currents flow like invisible threads, weaving through vast expanses of water. It is within these currents that sea turtles find their paths, sometimes traveling along the Gulf Stream, which flows from the Gulf of Mexico up the eastern seaboard of the United States, carrying with it the warmth of the southern waters. Sea turtles are not solitary creatures, they engage in social behaviors that can often be overlooked. In areas rich with food, such as coral reefs or seagrass meadows, they gather to feed and interact. The gentle grazing of a green turtle on seagrass creates a ripple effect in the ecosystem, promoting the health of seagrass beds that provide habitat for countless marine species. As they munch on the tender blades, their movements stir up nutrients, fostering a vibrant underwater community. In the depths, amidst hydrothermal vents, the behavior of some species becomes even more fascinating. Here, in the dark, hot environments where water emerges from the ocean floor, turtles search for invertebrates that thrive in these extreme conditions. It is a world that remains largely unexplored, the alien landscapes of towering chimneys and mineral-rich waters providing a stark contrast to the tranquil beaches where they come to nest. The relationship between sea turtles and their environment is a delicate balance, one that can be easily disrupted. In recent decades, evidence has mounted regarding the impacts of climate change. Rising sea temperatures not only affect the distribution of prey species but also alter the very beaches where turtles nest. Warmer sands lead to skewed sex ratios, as the temperature of the nests determines the sex of hatchlings, a reality that threatens the future of their populations. Plastic pollution further complicates their existence. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a favorite food. Consuming these materials can lead to blockages, malnutrition, and even death. The poignant sight of a turtle struggling under the weight of plastic entanglement serves as a stark reminder of the human impact on these ancient mariners. In light of these challenges, conservation organizations worldwide work tirelessly to protect nesting sites, engage communities, and advocate for sustainable practices. Awareness campaigns educate the public about the importance of protecting these creatures. The stories of individual turtles, tagged and tracked as they journey through the oceans, offer glimpses into their lives and struggles, fostering empathy and understanding. As we delve deeper into the life of sea turtles, we become witnesses to their resilience and tenacity. Each turtle's journey is a testament to the wonders of evolution, the intricate dance between survival and adaptation. To preserve them, we must recognize our role as stewards of the ocean, safeguarding the habitats and ensuring that future generations can also marvel at these remarkable creatures. In the silence of the deep, the journey of sea turtles unfolds, and we must become guardians of this narrative. The ocean's call is a challenge and a reminder, a call to protect, cherish, and understand the interconnectedness of life on Earth. As we continue our exploration of these ancient mariners, we carry the weight of responsibility. The survival of sea turtles intertwines with the fate of our oceans and ultimately, our planet.